So I thought I'd do an update. thrilling update. Got one of the 2.4-inch screens on, and that went okay. Used magnet wire or enamel wire, 0.315 millimeter magnet wire, and got the screen on. It's okay. This one's not finished yet. Just once I've done the wiring, which is 10 strands of wire, I just hot glued it on, which was a bit crazy because if you get it wrong, it's game over. But that's on now. So I've finished that. It's not completely done because although I was obviously hoping to get the cartridge mod sorted out, turns out that it's just not going to happen. They're a little bit, it's a little bit too fat. Once you get the half cartridge, you know, glued on there, it's not going to go in. It's just too fat. So unfortunately, I kind of suspected that. The 555060 is meant to be 5.5 millimeters thick. It's actually 5.7, but I just think it's, even with the 50-50-60, which is 5 millimeters, I think you'd have maybe a bit of a job doing it. So I didn't really get how that thing works ever. Or it doesn't work for me anyway. But that's okay. That's okay because where's my little pointer? Because I'm going to put just a lithium in the battery compartment, a 1000 milliamp in there. I'm done with this. I'll keep the topper on there to keep dust and dirt out, but I'm just going to go with that. If you think about it, it's the better solution anyway. I know it reduces the battery life massively, or the playtime massively, but you won't have the battery slapped right on top of the Pi, which is potentially giving out heat. It's not the best idea. So I think it'll look good there. And then we're done. So I'm just waiting for those from Amazon. This one, my version 1, I decided to retire it. Got rid of the Pi from there. It actually had audio problems, and that was down to this thing breaking down in some way. So it had audio issues anyway. I needed the screen, so decided to retire that one. If you're crazy enough to attempt to get the 2.4-inch screen on the Gaboze Pocaio 2, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're crazy enough to try it, to get the screen on in the right position, you have to take a little tiny, other side, you have to take a tiny chunk out of the plastic surround on the display. Just a little chunk out, so that this can sort of go beyond the red LED. I can't do that. I can't get this on. So give me a sec. So that would be the correct position, obviously straight, but that would be the correct position. So if you see the display is going beyond the red LED, obviously, well, it's nice in a way because actually it allows you to centralize the screen. That's exactly where it should be. So yeah, it works. Just in case you wanted to try that. Only other thing was I've been doing some work on this, obviously ready for the Tindy thing. My friend who doesn't want to be named has been rejigging the case a little bit. So you got a slightly larger speaker grill and with funky honeycomb shapes there. It's quite nice. Massive improvement. Oh yeah. Actually the sound level is probably about the same, but And then these things have got magnet holes. So I'm gonna put some I was going to say lithium there. Some, what are they called? Some magnets. Neodymiums. I'll put some neodymiums on there. Because this is the Dulux version. This is the final version of this thing, and there will be Dulux version, Bion Tindy. So thanks for watching.